So, what do you do if you insert a chart and your data does not look right? So, for example, if we look at what I've pulled up here, and you should know how to do this, I just went to insert and added a scatter plot based on the data. This does not look right, though, does it? So, what should we do about it? Well, what you need to do is click this filter right here. And down at the bottom where it says select data, click on that. And you see that we have things backwards, I think. So if I switch the rows and columns, you see it automatically made the chart look the way it's supposed to. And then you can just click OK, and that's all you need to do.